Hi there, it's George here, and today I'm gonna show you my house plant tour in August 2022, the first part of 4. I have many plants. I've decided to show you update, but separately because have no time to do an entire video. So just I will do shorts videos about 10 minutes. And let's start to see update. It has been a while ago since I didn't show you. And yeah, starting first with my hibiscus that growing here beautiful. And as you can see, flower buds are here about 4. That's quite a lot for this young hibiscus, and it looking beautiful on the leaves, very lush. I used compost, I planted in compost and grow fast, and in the top here now growing flower buds and one opening as you can see here. That is brilliant. Look at it. Just it is so beautiful. And the pot already it is small. Anyway, so happy that blooming. And now next plants are African violets and are in bloom as well. As you can see the color, purple color, this one and this, but as you can see on this the leaves are tired and stuff like that. They're old or I don't know, but have to change the soil and then will grow. And the pink color I have there, very beautiful, and yeah, have to water at the time. So looks like the African violets here growing in my room, and it is just brilliant. And this have without flowers but have many leaves, so will bloom soon. The next which I have, it is Mimosa pudica, young plant and now sleeping because it's evening already, and this kind of plants in evening they turning into sleep, that's it. So the mango tree growing beautiful and grow new fresh leaves. Here since last update I did show you this mango when germinated, and yeah, and after a few weeks I think will grow new leaves here, but we'll see. And I think have to repot this pot already, it's too small, that's it. And the next is the dancing plant or telegraph plant. I have it again. I had it in 2020 and I germinated again. I have again this plant. It is really fascinating plant and its leaves moving when we can notice a noise, some music or I don't know. And last time died because of spider mites, but now I hope it will be okay. So the next is Lucky bamboo, which I have there, and it is a beautiful plant and it grow so much, but have to repot and to grow right up to make the plant more and more beautiful. And yeah, put a support and we'll see, just look at it, so big did grow and large leaves in the top as you can see here. So have to work with this lucky bamboo. Here I have a Zamiakulkas plant and it is very beautiful as you can see here, and I notice growing a new shoot as you can see on the bottom here, right there. So looking forward to see, and I put wet grass, and did grow in my yard, and I cut it after dried and put on the plant like decorative, that's it. Here it is looks like dry, but this hibiscus I put to propagate, and I'm sure it will grow new leaves, but have to wait yet. From there it will grow, that's it. Have to water at the time. I planted in compost and we'll see if will propagate in compost. Next are my orchids and they are doing really good. this is still in bloom, pink color, beautiful. On 27 August it will reach 1 year. Since I have it, almost I reach that year. That's it, I'm growing a new leaf here, but this leaves looks like dehydrated or I don't know. But another orchids which I have there, they are all looking good, and today I watered them and I fertilized them. And this orchid which I found in one day in the yard of the apartment building, and so looking and growing, new leaf did grow quite big, and another one started to grow, but yet not flower spike, but we'll see. Anyways, and here the temperature which I have now in my room, it is good temperature. Yeah, and the banana plant I have there, a beautiful growing. This is Musa Okaminata or Dove Cavendish banana plant, and growing actually under grow light, and some leaves, I mean all of leaves are kind of dried on the edge, but anyways, so looking the leaves, I spray every day the leaves, and here I notice growing a new leaf, that is awesome. So I put on ground light this intensity of 25 watts or 50 in the daytime. Now it's evening and it's low. Here is sleeping another Mimosa pudica plant, young plant. So let's sleep it. Here is my Albizia, which I show you in the recent video, and did grow more from the last update. So looking amazing, like Mimosa pudica on the leaves. That's it. And a Dendrobium nobile orchid, which I have, and it have only this leaves, but this stems are without leaves, but it's okay, it's okay for it, you know. They're growing on passion fruit, and in June I cut the leaves because there was too many and I wanted the stem to get thicker. That's it, hope it will get thick, you know. It's good already, and in the spring will grow a lot of leaves, but I have to take care, you know. Here I put one experiment, orchid spikes in the moss and sawdust, and we'll see if they will grow some cakeys, stuff like that, you know. Next, here are one of my Dove Cavendish banana plant, and here growing one new leaf, as you can see. The recent leaf which was grow more or less than a week was this leaf also, that growing quite fast, started to grow. It likes the soil, I think, but this I planted and something it doesn't like, as you can see. Anyways, have to water at the time, you know. Maybe the root system, it wasn't good like on this one, so we'll see. And next I have another hibiscus here that growing, but the pot is too small and I think it's a root bone and doesn't develop, so I have to change the pot and plant it in the pot and rich in humus and compost like I did on my first hibiscus, which I did show you. And here I put to propagate one passion fruit, as you can see, and I think it will be okay and will grow new shoot from there, as you can see. So looking forward to see. The next is my Hoya curry plants, 2 plants, and I have those plants more than a year. On 8 March 2021 I bought them and gifted to my mother, and they are still alive. Maybe we'll grow some shoots, you know, but we'll see. Very hard growing this. If you buy leaves of this, many percent that they will die, but mine still are alive, you know, and just waiting for new shoots. but it takes a lot of time. Here I have another 2 African violets, and they are in beautiful bloom, as you can see here, looking nice. And a lucky bamboo growing here in the pot, as you can see. And notice another shoot started to grow, and we'll see how lush will grow. Yeah, a few days I noticed it, that's it. And these plants are beautiful too. They are called Albizia fragrance, and I have 5 of them and another 2 outside. But in the next episode I'm gonna show you plants outside. Another 3 episodes I think, because outside I have so many plants. That's it, and they are looking beautiful, and they grow many leaves in the summertime, and these shoots grow so beautiful, as you can see. Even look at this, how they grow, awesome, just brilliant. Well, hope you enjoyed my plants in my house, and in the next episode I'm gonna show you plants outside already. So thanks for watching to the end, that really means a lot for my channel. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notification when I'm posting new videos. And you can subscribe to my photography channel if you want, link is in the corner and in the description. And I will catch you in the episode 2 of my plant tour collection. Bye bye!